For demonstration, here we have 20 stitches on my needle. 18 stitches multiple of 9. 2 times 9 plus 9 is equal to 18 plus 2 edge stitches 20. Here I purl 2 base row. You can knit any border you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side. Slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 2, 1, 2, yarn over to back. SSK means slip 1, knit 5, slip 2, knit twice, knit together from back loop, knit 1, knit together from front loop, yarn over to front, purl to 1, 2. That's a repeat from here to here. Purl 2, yarn over, SSK, knit 1, knit together, yarn over, purl 2. This is 9 stitches pattern. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Again we repeat this pattern. How many do you have? So one more time. Purl 2, 1, 2, yarn over to back, SSK, slip, slip and knit from back loop, knit 1, knit together from front loop, yarn over to front, purl 2, 1, 2. Here we complete 2 times repeat pattern. Last edge, knit edge from right side. First row is completed. Now second row, wrong side. In this row, purl these all stitches till the end of row, second row, and every wrong side rows we make same. Purl these all stitches. Purl edge from wrong side. Third row, right side, slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 2, 1, 2, yarn in back, knit 1, yarn over. Now S2KP means slip first, knit twice, knit together from front loop and pass over this slip stitch, yarn over, knit 1, purl 2, 1, 2. That's a repeat from here to here. Purl 2, knit 1, yarn over, S2KP, yarn over, knit 1, purl 2. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? So one more time. Purl 2, 1, 2, knit 1, yarn over, S2KP means slip first, knit twice, knit together from front loop and pass over this slip stitch, yarn over, knit 1, purl 2, 1, 2. Here we complete 2 times repeat pattern. Last edge, knit edge from right side. Third row is completed. Now fourth row wrong side. Purl these all stitches till the end of row. Purl edge from wrong side. Fifth row, right side, slip edge and knit these all stitches till the end of row. knit edge from right side. 5th row is completed now. 6th row, wrong side, pull these all stitches. Pull edge from wrong side. 6th row is completed and our pattern is also completed. Now we again start this pattern from first row. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. Again we start this pattern from first row. In this way we repeat this 1 2 6 rows, and after repetition of 6 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of a project like ladies cardigan, ladies jacket, girls top, baby sweater. So friend, if you like my videos, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye friend.